Anyways, how na day? My name is TB Joma. Today, you get one book where I want do. Na my paddy. You see, as I used to do my paddy book, where they call Edify Yakusak, The Curse of Happiness. This one na my main paddy. Na him get Masobe books. He said the right book. He name na waiting Otuke Omeniabos. Oyabo na see this cover. Na the very first cover for Odufa be this. And I purposely do am. I know say if you watch this video, you go break my head. But I wan show una say when the book come out, me sef I follow for people wey buy the book. I like this cover. Funny enough. But I don't know why e be as if everybody. Yes, so Masobe, see, I no wan even talk about their covers. E dey scatter person brain. But I like this cover. And I like this story because, see, Otuke, as they use write say, na person wey go school him read computer science for Uniben. So you go think say person wey read that kind this thing na you go dey press computer, even though like even you no fit beat Otuke when e come for this pressing of computer. But na poet, e can't even be playwright join. And then he gets like 2 books wey don come out after this one, The Conspiracy of Ravens and this new one wey be like continuation of him book of Odufa wey they call Aviara. I will still do that book. But I still dey digest the book because the way you use write that book they different. But you see this Odufa, a very interesting book wey show how sometimes this relationship matter sometimes. If you know they mature to handle am, if care is not taken, the way you go use spoil your brain, scatter your life and that of your family. No be now you go fit find the effect. Now maybe later when you don't leave that relationship, don't marry man, don't marry woman, you come see say, man, that relationship why they na rubbish. Now just because that love don't cover our eyes, it can't be as if we know they see what we're supposed to. Like all this kind of toxic behavior. I don't date this kind of relationship where they talk about for a book. Like 2 characters, the 2 main characters, Anthony Mukoro and Odufa. I friend one guy wey be as if I think say the guy like me die, only for me to come find out say later the guy gaslight me. And when una check for Google wetin e mean to gaslight person na every time the person always manipulate you. You don't make am feel as if you know they ever do anything right. I friend this guy finish say when I finish to dey friend am, my people, e come be as if I don't even know who I be again. The another come say all those things why this person they always blame me say na my fault. Not be my fault. But not just because love cover my eye, just they take everything. Ask me whether the boy even spend money for your girl body. You don't spend though. But like we talk, when you love person, you know they think all those things. You just tell yourself, I ain't like me. Me say if I love her, talk your own. Till now you not finish. Now that your eye go come clear. Like you come here see they cover your eye, that you come fall down. Boom! For ground. And so this story be. Anthony get your own wala for body. You know those kind, it depends on how you take grow up. You know those kind of people wey grow up with how your mama they use pet you. If you want chop, now mama go rush enter kitchen, go prepare food, give you. So you know they used to that kind. In get sisters who you know they used to doing things for yourself. So he carry that kind of mentality, come one enter the relationship. Odufa they try on her own. Now those kind of typical girl like me where them train say you go serve your husband, you go please man, you go do this thing. But you get a point where you reach, you be as if the girl self no fit take am. She can't say abeg. Now there problem can start. Especially when she can't find out say she carry belle. This belle self now another story how she use get am. Because we looked the book, see say e get one time where they talk say the guy something be do am where he no go fit carry pikin again. He no fit carry belle give woman. When you read the book, you understand what he do am. So how the girl take carry belle? If girl is not taking say, you can think say, it shows say this girl no dey friend somebody else. We make can carry this belle. It shows na me get this belle. You know those kind yeah question. You can't they enter their relationship. We can't be as if every time 1 minute they fight, another minute they reconcile. We can't see as how friends, if you don't get friends, we get sense. They go fit scatter your relationship, join. But you not just talk about relationship, but you can't talk about how the pain. Why love dey sweet, but e get pain where they come from when you dey like person, the person no like you back. Where the book talk about for the poetry, we just scatter my dada. I'm telling you, Otuke finish work for this one. And to this in a first book. And when people read this book, the first time when it come out, people they talk some things where as I no talk, make it no be as if because I like the person and my friend. But this book, I thank God as people don't read them. People like Elite Reader, people like Favorite Igbo Boy. Make una go check out their reviews. Now go see say no be me tell them wetin to write. Now then read the book, understand wetin the book they talk about, write wetin finish work. Now, you know that mean say if you see man wey like you no go friend am, or if you see woman wey like you no go friend am. But sometimes as you dey love with your heart, abi una try use na brain small. You know, no be as if this one self no be love, na stupidity. Especially you get one part for the book, one page 121. If you know be page 121 for our own book, but I want to try read them for pidgin. Make una see as the thing takes with me. Even as I tried dey do am today, say I dey restrain myself, say I'm not too happy. So that this book will go by the book. She can't dey breathe small before she talk. You be fine, okay? I know, but where are you? My boss just enter Kano. I talk. I better hurry. I dey miss you too much. And I go there with you before night. True. I reached the house for Dambari before morning. Odufa, they look sick because she know where. She enter my body. And so we hug ourselves. Her body hot. She can't dey shake small. I can't carry my jacket, put her for her body. Ulusi and Imo, they happy to see me. They come gather around me as I hold their sister. How your trip? How your journey? They ask. They say long go, but thank God say I reach here the time when I reach. One of them come to say, I'm so happy. So if you reach you, Odufa just they call your name. Don't mind Lucy. Odufa come talk small. I come touch her head because I like her hair. So wetin the doctor talk? We dey run some tests, come tell us say make we come collect the results tomorrow. But meanwhile, the doctor give us medicine to give am so that the fever will come down. Thank you. How Ibrahim? He dey fine. He say make I tell you say he dey come. Odufa come cough. Baby, you need to see Lucy boyfriend. He looks so much like you. And he gets a lot of things wey two of una sabi dey do together. Una get the same mannerism, the same fold for una head, the same bad character hair. Now Anthony for the book here come ask say which one be bad character hair? And I think my mama they call this small hair where they come off for your head towards your forehead. Now when I see as the book sweet, when I go buy this book. Everywhere where they sell book, Roving High to Page Bookstore, something bookish where my friend maybe Lip Gloss Mafia they run. Make una buy a copy of this book, read them. If una never buy them, I no go show una the new cover, more na check them out. Our road to 5K campaign still dey on. I bet una follow us on social media. Make una engage with us. We dey Twitter, we dey Instagram, we dey Facebook, we dey Telegram, we even dey YouTube. More na subscribe to our YouTube channel. But until I come on our way next week, I beg, una stay safe. Make una dey cover una face with wetin face mask. One I don't mind people wey dey waka about without face mask. Make una dey use wetin hand sanitizer before you touch anywhere for your body. COVID-19 still dey. Me I no even like give una. Make una do well.